Hello, this is Somitra and today we will have a look at what is known as dark cloud cover pattern in candlestick charts. Before we jump into the discussions, subscribe for the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever there is a new video. Also click like if find the video useful. A dark cloud, as the Japanese express it, that the market has poor chance of rising. The dark cloud cover's first candle is a strong white session. During the next session, there is buying pressure left over and the market opens higher, but later in that session, prices decline as the market closes under the center of the previous session. This pattern reflects a period in the market when the upward power of the tall white candle has been dissipated by next session's weak black candle. In other words, the dark cloud cover displays pictorially a time in the market in which selling pressure is exceeding the buying pressure. An ideal dark cloud cover's second session should close under the midpoint of the prior white candle. If the black candle does not close below the halfway point, it is considered by some Japanese traders to be an incomplete dark cloud cover. In such cases, it is best to wait for confirmation during the next session in the form of a weaker close. As a general rule, the deeper the close of the dark cloud cover's second session pushes into the white candle, the more bearish the signal. A dark cloud that fails to move under the center of the prior candle may be seen as less bearish compared to classic dark cloud cover. In case when the cloud cover close is not below the midpoint of the first candle, one needs to wait for confirmation on the next day. There is a difference in how we should view the dark cloud cover in stocks and futures. The ideal dark cloud cover has the second sessions open above the high of the prior session. Since there is generally higher price volatility in the futures market as compared to stocks, it means that we need to be more flexible about the definition of a dark cloud cover with stocks than with futures. Specifically, with stocks a dark cloud cover if the second session opens above the prior session's close, rather than its high. However, if the second session of the dark cover of a stock does open above the prior session's high instead of its close, it would be more of a potential reversal signal. This is because it is more bearish if the market reverses after failing from a new high than it is if the market fails from an area that was not a new high. A dark cloud cover often becomes resistance. As with any form of technical analysis, there should be a price at which you should reconsider your original outlook. For a pattern like the dark cloud cover, if the market closes above the high of the dark cloud cover, the chances are that the market will continue its upward journey. Thus, when selling short based on a dark cloud cover, consider a stop on a close above the highs of that pattern. For those who are looking to buy, you should consider it when on the close, prices pierce the high of the dark cloud cover. Thanks for watching.